come with Ryder.
Yeah, and I have somebody with me here. And it came with chocolate.
A little kitty, Rocky, Zuma, Skye, Ruble, Chase, Marshall, and Everest.
And we also have more sets to open also.
And we will open those ones later after we open these.
Let's look at the back.
Yeah, let's see the back. So we got Chase, Marshall, and another word for Marshall is Marcus. And then Ruble, another word for Ruble is Ruben. And then Skye, and then Stella, Zuma, Rocky, Itty Bitty Kitty, and Chicoletta.
And it looks like all the characters do something different.
No.
Yeah, they do.
And this one's Skye, and her other name is what my other one just said.
Let's go ahead and open it up.
Alright,
Okay. Let's open it
let's
up.
open it up from the side first.
Zuma.
Zuma,
Rocky. The little one.
Marshall, Everest. They can do some magical things, like Marshall can fight fires, Rocky fixes stuff, Skye flies, Rebel is a construction pup, and Chase is a spy pup, Everest works in the snow, Zuma is a water pup, and then Chicoletta is a chicken, and then that cat is a cat.
What does the chicken do?
I don't know. Just goes around
Is
town.
that just their friend?
Yeah.
Chicoletta.
Zuma can go like bang, da-na-na-na.
What are those, rocket boosters?
He's in the water, so they're water boosters. Da-na-na-na. And Skye goes like bang, da-na-na-na.
Well, Skye can fly, so those are wings.
Yeah, they have to be wings.
What does Chase do?
Oh, let's see. Whoa! And his light comes out and his speaker. So then you put him back in. Dun dun dun. I'm
Well,
gonna
what does
dig
Rubble
some
do?
dirt. Oh, he digs dirt up.
Is he a construction worker?
Yeah. Chicoletta, fly.
What about
chicken,
Marshall?
fly.
What does Marshall do?
Oh, he fights fires. I'm gonna fight a fire. Twinan. Pew 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 pew. And then Everest, she works in the snow. And then Chase is on the case. He is a spy. He's a police pup. Thanks for watching. Now click